In its response to recent allegations made by the Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement HANM New Shillong Circle, the members of the Dorbar Shnong of Diengpasoh, that included the Sordar and Deputy Sordar of the area, members of the youth organization of Diengpasoh and other members of the Dorbar Shnong, had met together at the Shillong Press Club on the 3rd of April 2023 to clarify through the media on the stand of the Dorbar against such allegations made against it. It may be reminded that recently the HANM, under the leadership of its president Lamphrang Kharbani, had submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Secretary of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Syiem to apprise the council of the inappropriate functioning of the Dorbar Shnong of Diengpasoh village, whereby it was alleged that its Sordar had sold off most parts of the land to the Airports Authority of India for the purpose of expansion of the road leading to Umroi Airport, of which landowners were denied compensation due to non-issuance of no objection certificates to them on purchase of land within the village. Clarifying on the allegations made by the HANM against the Dorbar Shnong of Diengpasoh, the Sordar of the village informed that any designated Sordar is not over and above the Dorbar Shnong, and therefore, should there be any misuse of power by him, the members of the Dorbar Shnong would be the first to oppose such action on his part. Further, on the allegations made by the HANM against him on the consideration of residents belonging to the Khasi Hills as Nongwei or foreigners, the Sordar Shnong clarified that in all village-related meetings, the usage of the word Nongwei has been cautioned as it may create communal divide amongst the people.
No yalam Shnong trong ka Diengpasoh pelun ni wan hangnim taksi ban pensyai halor ke ba lami ha ka social media ha ni ka art praterik ba lawan ban kentho ne ban pentho bria ya ka Dorbar Shnong hi bro ka we da inong yalam trong ka HANM na po Shillong Press Club ba lalam khmat dai ba Lamphrang Kharbani tekeni ke cingkren chung i kala kta mat yok ya ka Dorbar hi bro kawei ke bala pen ki win ya kinok Shnong chingi ha kini kisi ki bala le no den kaliang chingi ka Dorbar Shnong il aipor ki steyo menta bakin wani sepo ka Shnong baki ong bakin wani kendo i kinok lam Shnong den kaliang chingi klem wan klem kendo yangi den kaliang chingi la da ka jeli perkhat kam chung ka Dorbar Shnong ni la ya rai ban mi taksi hang ni po Press Club ban ai kan dikicing pensyai pai ba leng ba champi kila pathai kabor te hang ni ko ban pensyai nangkong kumala kan thok pensyai Sordar Shnong ba le don bor nakaliang chingi ko ban suong kumnien ba Sordar Shnong hi Diengpasoh umlong khamakhli ban ya ka Dorbar Shnong telada ununu Sordar Shnong uya palat ik ai kabla rah ka Dorbar tumut dan kam ba kibri ke banabar kinwan bantukular ki pai ba nak Shnong kila tip hi ban le ka don kam kata ka dei ka kompanya Shnong po Diengpasoh nang ta ka don ka cingkan tho ka boong ba Sordar Shnong khain nang wei ya ki Khasi pana ni tan kong ko ani ban pensyai dei ba su thu ka mot yu ka tin nang wei ri naman kan ni ka dei ka tin ka bala penankam selansar po gari Khasi chongi te ka tin nang wei sila ban ong ba ila su thu i borok ki su thu nong ka dei tin ka mot Shnong wei mot bawan na ki wei nang wei ka dik bawan na ki wei pat ki Shnong te nyuma mo namar bakani ka kti nang wei ka lakta ya ki snow chung ki babon te ha ka Dorbar Shnong hi Diengpasoh hi ha po ka Dorbar pelun la dadon ka Shillong Dorbar ka itu ngila bidong tenge ya ki nong song Dorbar ban pendan kam ya ka ni kti nang wei tumut ngim sya ban pendan kam ki kti nang wei namar ka don ka snow fair perkhat mo ha ki pai ba nong song Shnong